Hi, I am Subhashini and welcome to this discussion on digital twins technology. Imagine a virtual clone of a factory, a jet engine, or even a city that learns, adapts, and evolves in real time. That's the power of a digital twin. Deloitte's recent research shows the global digital twin market is set to surge from around $13 billion in 2023 to nearly $259 billion by 2032. Why? Because organizations are discovering new value by combining live data, digital models, and spatial computing. From manufacturing floors to healthcare systems, the technology is shifting from closed, well-defined systems to open, interconnected environments. So, what exactly is a digital twin? First, the physical asset, the real machine, process or system. Second, the digital twin, a virtual replica built with detailed models and real-time data. Third, the digital thread, the bidirectional link that keeps them connected and live. According to Deloitte, the shift to these dynamic environments is being driven by three technology enablers: IoT sensors, spatial data capture like LiDAR or drones, and advanced AI ML models. Deloitte digital twins operate in three stages. Stage 1, C, capture sensor data from the physical asset and update the virtual model. Stage 2, Think, apply simulations and analytics to predict behavior or identify faults. Stage 3, Do, the insights are sent back to the real asset to optimize performance. Unlike traditional simulation, which has a one-way data flow, a digital twin thrives on live data and real-time feedback loops. Deloitte outlines 5 levels of digital twins. Level 1, part twin digital copy of a component. Level 2, asset twin collection of part twins forming an asset. Level 3, system twin multiple assets interacting. Level 4, process twin end-to-end workflows. Level 5, enterprise twin, the full-scale ecosystem from sensors to cloud to decision-making. As organizations scale their ambitions, the twin moves beyond the factory to the entire enterprise, unlocking new business models. But with opportunity comes challenge. Deloitte identifies key actions for leaders. First, identify value gaps, where mirroring reality digitally lets you act faster. Second, build the talent and data infrastructure for multimodal data, IoT, and advanced analytics. And finally, design for open, interconnected systems. Leaders who treat digital twins as strategy, not just technology, will gain a competitive edge. In today's age of complexity and change, a digital twin is more than a mirror. It's a strategic compass. Whether you're an engineer, data scientist, or future leader, mastering this concept will be key to the next wave of innovation. Dive in, create value, be the twin builder of tomorrow.